Hey guys, what's up? So today I've got something really special from Amazon. I wanted this thing since way long. Why I'm saying this thing? Because it's something really special. I'm going to waste time. I'm going to open this beast up and let's see how this really looks. This is from Amazon, guys. Okay guys, so having the first look, let's see what is in this. Here we go. Packaging looks really good. That's the bill. Okay, let me take this out. Wow, okay. So guys, here it is, the FLX4 by Pioneer DJ. Let's unbox this. Let's unwrap this dude up. The packaging is really good, really well packed. So guys, as you can see, just bought from Amazon. There is no tab as such which says it's brand new. Right now, as what I see, there is no seal on it. It's straight open close from here. Let me just have a look at this. Here we go, looks okay to me. Let me unbox this. Let me really see what is in this. I really hope I did not get mugged with this at Amazon. Okay. What is the first thing? Well, there is a manual and of course a wire for connection. So guys, getting this out for the first time, nothing else in the packaging. So guys, here goes. This can't be right. There's no tape on this. As you can see, this is an open package. It's not even covered. I'm a little surprised that Amazon sent something like this. Let's see if it's a new player. Yeah, it's definitely smelling new. This is the player, the FLX4. Well, it is really light. And here it says December 2022 manufactured. So that is pretty much neat looking. The faders feel good, the pitch feels nice. It feels like definitely a Pioneer product. Really cool, definitely cool. I'm just still annoyed that it's been opened, probably definitely opened and sent to me. But guys, this is the unboxing. Not going to connect it, just an unboxing, guys. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Sayonara guys, bye.